I'm going to show you how to turn that into this. Hi, I'm Dave. Welcome to the channel. So what are we talking about here? In essence, we're taking bald cypress cones and turning them into an air freshener. First of all, let's find out about the bald cypress. So what is a bald cypress and where can you find it? The bald cypress is Taxodium distichum. It's a large deciduous conifer native to the southeastern United States, known for its feathery light green needles that turn russet brown in the fall before dropping, and its distinctive woody knees. So this plant, or these trees, I thought I was at the very furthest reach here in central Illinois, but I see that you can find them in Michigan, northern parts of this state, but generally in this narrow corridor in the middle of the country, and then branching wider to the south, basically along the Mississippi and the Tennessee River valleys in the southeast and the southern United States. I mean, if you see videos from swamp people, they'll be cruising their boats past cypress trees right and left. You see the big trunks coming down to the water, and then the knees all around. So that's the cypress and the bald cypress. The bald cypress is what these cones come from. So what I do when I'm out in the field and I see one of these trees, I'll generally fill my pockets with pine cones. Some of them break apart pretty easily, and others, if they're still kind of green, they'll be pretty hard and rigid, and you can't really break them apart. These are bald cypress trees. Of course, it's middle of the winter now, so they don't have any leaves on them, but some of these are still loaded with these cones. This is what they look like on the tree. I first figured this thing out one day when I was kayaking, and I saw these balls hanging off these trees near the bank, and I was like, what the heck are those things? So I paddled up to it, reached up, grabbed one, and it crumbled in my hand, and I got that pitch on my hand. Then I smelled my fingers. I'm like, oh my gosh, those smell good. And these do too. These still have pitch in them. So I figured, well, I got to figure out a way to save this stuff. So what I'll do is I will bring them home, put them on a plate, and let them dry. Eventually, what you end up with is cones that break apart pretty easily. And then you stuff them in a little bag. I get these from a company I buy soap from, and they're really perfect for this purpose. They're a mesh bag. You stuff them and make yourself a bag of air freshener. I've made a lot of these over the past couple of years since I found these things, and they work really good in the car, in a drawer, wherever you want to use them. Now, obviously, these are from soap that I get, but you can buy these bags. I've looked them up on Amazon and other places. Hobby Lobby, you can get them for 100 of them for like $5. It's really pretty cheap. So nice little air fresheners. They smell good and it lasts for quite a while. I got the idea really from lavender. You can go to a lot of farmers markets and find lavender in bags, and I've started putting that in bathrooms and things just as a nice potpourri type air freshener. But hey, if you can make your own, why not make your own? So if you live in a region that has bald cypress, look for the round cones, collect them, let them dry out, put them in bags, and make yourself a nice air freshener. Thanks for watching. I hope to be doing more of this type of thing as it starts to warm up a little bit more, and I hope you will like and subscribe to my channel.